Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into one of the smartest cleaning solutions out there, the Dreame X40 Ultra robotic vacuum. If you're looking to make your life easier and your home cleaner, you're in the right place. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? Meet the future of smart cleaning, the Dreame X40 Ultra robotic vacuum. This isn't your average vacuum. The X40 Ultra features a powerful 12,000 PA suction to capture every speck of dust, and its liftable and removable mop gives your floors a perfect finish every time. It even comes with side brushes for edge-to-edge cleaning, and a genius self-cleaning system that heats the mop to 158 degrees, ensuring bacteria-free floors. Smart sensors help it navigate effortlessly around furniture, and when it's done, it empties, washes, and refills itself all on its own. Normally a high-end robot like this would cost a fortune, but right now, it's 40% off. That means you can get it for just $75 a month for 12 months, no subscription required. The Dreame X40 Ultra isn't just a vacuum, it's peace of mind in a sleek smart package. Click the link below and grab yours before the deal ends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart tech reviews.